everyone, welcome back to Lego Builds, where I'll be showing you Railroad. Now Railroad has the honor of being the first Lego former that transforms into a train. Yeah, now the main inspiration for him was not an official Transformers train, in fact there's not that many, but actually a parody cartoon that was on Newgrounds back in 2009, before I was born. But I watched the remastered version on YouTube. I'll reveal what it is when we actually get a transformation. Now, as you can see, he has two wheels, both being blue. And these are buffers. Yeah, buffers. Along with that, these are not actually eyes. I'm just getting one of his weapon. I'm just get this ramp thing. Hold on. And got it. These are not actually his eyes, but actually glass windows for the drivers to, look out of. Actually, he has no side rods. That's because of the way he's actually built and also the way he transforms. Side rods would just mess everything up, man. But now it's time to transform him. I'm just gonna. And there we go. Just get his weapons. Now, as you can see, the front wheels become a part of his shoulders. The buffer beam, these become his lower arms, and also house his hands. But the front, this part's spinning, in the opposite direction to make it look like kind of like a nose. And also, see that there's legs out these wheels. And fun fact, there's no actual head. There's only a mask. They just really likes to wear. Now, also inspiration. But the main inspiration was made by someone who, if you watched Newgrounds back in the 2000s or happened across his YouTube channel, you may recognize. His name was James Farr, and he made this little parody cartoon by Thomas and Transformers called Trainsformers. It was made for his son, Vector. Yeah. I watched it when I was little. And oh my lord. Watching him again gives me a real nostalgia high. I wish I did more of it, aside from Reborn, which came out 3 years ago. Or at least I think it did. After days, I'm not too sure. But considering the fact that he took down the original animations, it's not so. And since Mattel owns Thomas, I wouldn't be surprised if either if they take down the video or if Hasbro does. Yeah. Now getting weapons. He has these two sword blades, which go on like that. Yeah. He uses to slice and dice his enemies. It's basically like molded into the shape of a blade. Whoops. Now he also has two guns. The two black guns. These. And oh yeah, they actually attach his wheels. Meaning they're gonna effectively have gun wheels. But of course, yeah. But of course, you want to hold them. You have to get them off, which would be very difficult to do, so it doesn't do it often. We can't attach them manually, though it'll be a real pain to get them off. I also have his main weapon, his energy blade. It's actually his fuel source. There. His main fuel source. Also, here's something I want to try. I'm just gonna remove this. Yeah. So I'll make that his face and then just just put it on the back. There's like huge backpack. Once see him transforms, then I'm just gonna move all these weapons real quick. Just get these off and get this off, just make it easier for transform him. And bam! Oh, transition was good. As you can see, this is not the face. Yeah. I'll do transformation mode. So I'm just gonna remove it. Whoops. Yes, how things connected. Yeah. The entire smoke box is held on by those two studs. While it's not ideal, it was necessary so the arms could comfortably fit in while making this buffer beam. Since previous attempts that I've not documented, usually there would be no buffer beam. Since, yeah. Since, it was issue. But now, it's official one. We actually is wider, and these back wheels are just not aligned whatsoever with these wheels. That was a compromise I was willing to make this possible, and to not bang my head against the goddamn wall 70 times, 10 times over. Yeah. So, transition. Well, that's it for Lego builds, guys. See you guys next time.